Why do some people seem to age so gracefully, walking with strength, glowing with calm energy, their minds still sharp, while others of the same age struggle to get out of bed, fight joint pain, or forget simple things? What if the secret isn't expensive medication, but a simple golden drink people in ancient India have been taking for thousands of years? A drink that fights inflammation, restores energy, sharpens memory, and even tells your body to start healing itself again. Let's uncover the forgotten morning ritual that can change how you age forever. Every morning, millions of seniors around the world start their day the same way. A handful of pills, a cup of coffee, maybe a slice of toast. And yet, they still feel tired, foggy, and in pain. Modern medicine has made us live longer, but not necessarily better. We've forgotten what our grandparents once knew, that real health comes not from a pharmacy, but from the kitchen. In ancient India, elders drank something every morning called haldi doodh, or golden milk. It was a simple blend of turmeric, black pepper, and warm milk or water. It wasn't just a drink. It was their medicine, their ritual, their armor against aging. They believed it kept the body young, the mind clear, and the spirit calm. And today, science is finally proving they were right. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds ever discovered. It helps repair damaged cells, lowers chronic inflammation, and even activates genes responsible for longevity. But here's the part most people miss. If you drink turmeric without black pepper, your body only absorbs about 2% of its power. With black pepper, absorption shoots up by 2,000%. That's the secret ancient healers knew instinctively. The combination of these two ingredients makes your body unlock curcumin's full potential. Together, they reduce joint pain and stiffness, improve memory and focus, support heart health, slow down skin aging and wrinkles, and even protect against Alzheimer's and arthritis. But here's the truth. Most people today are drinking it wrong. They either buy cheap turmeric powder full of color additives, or mix it with boiling water, which destroys curcumin, or forget the pepper altogether. Some even buy turmeric lattes from cafes loaded with sugar and wonder why it's not helping their joints or brain. If you're not preparing it the right way, you're missing 90% of its healing power. Here's how you make it the ancient correct way. 1 cup of warm milk or plant milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure turmeric powder or paste, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee or coconut oil, helps absorption, optional, honey for sweetness or cinnamon for heart health. Instructions: heat the milk gently, don't boil. Add turmeric and black pepper. Stir slowly and let it blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ghee or coconut oil. Drink it warm, right before breakfast or before bed. Just 1 cup daily can help your body fight aging from the inside out. In Indian villages, it's common to see elders in their 70s still working in fields, walking barefoot, full of life. When asked their secret, they say simply, "I drink my turmeric milk." In studies, seniors who took turmeric daily for just 6 weeks showed improved memory, reduced joint pain, and better sleep. It's not a miracle. It's what your body has always needed. You just forgot to give it. Aging doesn't mean weakness. It doesn't mean sitting still while life passes by. It's the time your body needs love, not from doctors or supplements, but from you. Every time you sip this golden drink, you're telling your body, "I'm still here, I still care, I'm not giving up." And your body listens. It begins to heal itself, slowly, quietly, but powerfully. Start your mornings not with caffeine and pills, but with this warm golden cup. Breathe deeply. Stretch. Take in the sunlight. You'll notice in just a few weeks, your joints move easier, your mind feels lighter, and even your skin starts glowing again. That's not magic. That's the body remembering how to live. The ancients weren't chasing youth. They were chasing balance. And when balance returns, youth follows naturally. So the next time you look in the mirror and wish you could turn back time, remember, time listens to those who care for themselves. Start with this one small change. The golden morning drink. A few minutes a day, for years of strength, peace, and vitality. If you found this message powerful, share it with someone you love. Your parents, grandparents, or anyone who deserves to feel alive again, and subscribe. Because in the next video, we're uncovering an ancient fruit that heals the heart and brain at the same time. You won't want to miss that.